guys, I'm going to show you what is in my mini backpack. Alright, let's start off the first one. So first we have these two Hello Kitty stickers. We have this one, and then we have this one. And then let's see what else. Oh, I have this little pen. And then we have, that's for Leo. And then let's see what's in the big one. Okay, so we have, quite a lot of stuff. We have this one. We have this one. And then we also have these two. And then, we have these nails that I made. And yeah, that's it. So, bye.